Most people don't fail at learning AI because it's hard. They fail because they stop showing up after day 3. This is designed to prevent that. In today's video, I'm going to show you the new best way to learn AI, and that's with Cursive. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. All right, guys, as you can see, I'm logged into Cursive right now. So please make sure you go to app.cursive.io. So I want to make sure you go to the right application, which is app.cursive.io. First off, I'm going to talk about how Cursive actually helps you, why most people quit learning AI, and how Cursive is different from most other AI learning platforms. The reason most people quit is because these applications usually offer no accountability. They have long courses with no sense of urgency, and too much freedom just leads to procrastination. But that's different with Cursive because they have shorter courses. As you can see right here, they have streaks that keep you accountable for learning every step of the way. As you can see, we have daily streaks and weekly streaks. That holds you accountable, gives you shorter courses, and makes it more time sensitive. So this will keep you accountable and literally help you learn AI quickly and easily. So as you can see here on the dashboard, the main thing that Cursive actually offers, and it's really helpful, is their challenges feature, as you can see right here. So what you're going to do is go to the third tab right here that says challenges, and I'm going to show you exactly how effective these really are. So if we click on a course like this one, the 2025 28-day AI challenge, we can select it. And every single day, you'll learn a new AI tool. So they have time-limited lessons and clear daily objectives instead of endless content. That way, you'll be learning AI in no time at all. So if you scroll down here, you can see all of the AI tools for the 28-day challenge. Tons of different useful tools that are used every single day. And if you scroll up, you'll see your progress on this challenge bar right here. As you can see, I'm already 4% done. But guys, the great thing about Cursive is that you won't just learn by watching these videos. You'll learn by taking action. You'll actually get to use some of the apps built right into Cursive. All right, guys, so if we go back here and head to the home page, you can see there's an AI tools section right here. That's what I was just talking about. It's built directly into Cursive. So you can click on the AI tools, and as you can see right here, this is ChatGPT 5 Mini. You can click on that, and you can also choose from multiple models of this tool. So they have built-in tools and pre-made prompts help remove friction and confusion. And last but not least, guys, this Cursive app will help you build the habit of momentum. So if I go back here to the home page, like I mentioned with the streaks, you'll get daily streaks and weekly streaks. You can track your progress and build momentum. So we can click on this. As you can see, your day streak, streak challenge, streak details, your longest streak, all of this will help you build that momentum. All right, guys, so the daily streak will help you build consistency. Your progress will be visible. And last but not least, this will make learning AI part of your routine, not just a one-time thing. If you keep starting AI courses and never finish them, try Cursive's challenges and see how far you actually get this time. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button and turn on that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. Until the next one, cheers!